You can find out more information about individual members by selecting their photo. That will immediately pop up more information about the individual, contact information and other similar information. Starting with the Ask for the current meeting, you'll see that if you select the Ask tab. Find out what their current commitments are. Here you can scroll down and actually see some of their completed commitments as well. More member details, background information on their bio, the company that they're in, and contact information as shown on the top. If you're interested in their goals and milestones, you can select the tab Plan, and there you'll see their goal and the milestones that they've selected. Also scrolling down, you'll see completed milestones below that. And there's also analytics. And now you know how to access member data in Keepical.